Okay, we're starting Nature Watch in a new area. I'm hoping to find something today. We'll see if it happens for me. I was told that deer, when they see a big dog, could attack, so I'm trying not to have that happen. But that was exciting. So far, the only thing I'm seeing is mosquitoes, or little tiny bugs that bite. It would be nice if we seen a squirrel or something. I don't even think there's a bird. But we'll see. Sometimes, little critters come out of anywhere. You never know. But I'm really not seeing a lot. But it is a new area. You just never know what you're going to get in Critter Watch. And there he goes with his digging. There's some cars on the street. There's a lot of activity today down in the park. But we're going to try another area, and I guess Critter Watch, all we got is grasshoppers.